Hi kids, welcome to our cooking show. Today we're going to show you how to make a tasty and healthy soup easily. Cooking can be a lot of fun, and making your own soup is a great way to start. We will need these ingredients: 2 carrots, 2 potatoes, 1 onion, 1 liter of water, salt, pepper, parsley, optional for flavor and garnish. First, let's start with the carrots. Peel the carrots carefully. Remember, always peel away from your body to avoid any accidents. Once the carrots are peeled, chop them into small pieces. Be careful and take your time to avoid cutting yourself. Next, we move on to the potatoes. Peel them just like we did with the carrots. After peeling, chop the potatoes into small pieces. Potatoes can be a bit slippery, so hold them firmly while you chop. And now it's time for the onion. Peel off the skin, then chop the onion into small pieces. Onions can make your eyes water, so be prepared. A little tip is to chill the onion in the fridge before chopping to reduce the tears. Once all your vegetables are chopped, it's time to combine them. Put the carrots, potatoes and onion into a large pot. Add 1 liter of water to the pot. Make sure all the vegetables are covered with water. Place the pot on the stove and turn the heat to high to bring the soup to a boil. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat to medium and let it cook for about 20 minutes. You'll know the soup is ready when the vegetables are soft and tender. Stir the soup well to mix in the salt and pepper. Let it cook for a few more minutes to ensure the flavors blend together nicely. Finally, if you have some parsley, chop a bit of it and add it to the soup. Parsley adds a nice flavor and makes the soup look even more delicious. And that's it. Our simple soup is ready. Carefully ladle the soup into bowls. Be sure to let it cool a bit before you taste it to avoid burning your mouth. Enjoy your soup. Yummy, it's delicious. We hope you enjoyed cooking with us and that you enjoy the soup as much as we do. Cooking is a great skill to learn, and it's always fun to eat something you've made yourself. Bon appétit! Thanks for joining us. We had a great time cooking with you today. Remember, you can always experiment with different vegetables and spices to create your own special soup recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!